Hello, grade 7. Good day. So, we are now for the quarter 1, week 6. Okay, so our lesson for this week class is lesson 1.5. So, it is all about adding integers. So, I believe ang tanan kabalo na mo plus or kabalo na mag-add og numbers. Kabalo na ba? Okay, so kung kabalo na, so mas ipa-deeper pa na to ang inyong understanding about adding integers. So listen carefully to the video. So for our objectives, in this lesson, you will be able to perform addition on integers and number 2, solve problems involving integers. Okay, so mag-plus ta or mag-add ta og mga integers. Ang galing ng integers, it's a whole number or a whole negative number. Whole positive and whole negative numbers. Okay, so that is our integers.
Okay, so let's proceed to addition of integers. So we have rules in adding integers. So in like signs, we have positive plus positive, it is equal to positive. Negative plus negative is equal to what? Negative. Okay? In adding like signs, find the sum of their absolute values and use the sign common to both of integers. For example, 6 plus 4. So they are both positive. Positive 6 and then si positive 4. So what is their sum? It is 10. Okay, so in negative sign, for example, negative 6 plus, so para dili maglibog, i-enclose na lang na og parenthesis, okay? So, negative 6 plus negative 4, first, i-plus sa nimo daan ang ilahang absolute value. So, 6 plus 4, it is equal to 10. What is the common sign? It is negative. Okay, so, mauna siya pasabot sa like signs. Sabtan, very good. Okay, so, in unlike signs, so kung dili sila parehas og sign, so, positive plus negative or negative plus positive. Saan man ni nato? Unsa man nilang answer? Well, so in adding unlike signs, we are going to first find the difference of their absolute value and use the sign of the integer with a greater absolute value. For example, positive and negative, imong i-plus. So, we have positive 10 plus negative 4. Okay? Ito na, i-enclose na sila. So, first na itong buhaton kung unlike signs, kaya ato sang i-subtract. So, kung na ito ang difference, 10 minus 4, it is equal to 6. And then, kung kinsa may mas dako, si 10 or si 4? Si 10. So, unsay sign ni 10? It is positive. So, therefore, siya ang masunod. Iyahang sign ang sundugon. So, 6 will be a positive. Okay? 10 plus negative 4 is equal to positive 6. Nasabtan? So, you need to write here positive 6. Kaya understood na nga positive. Okay? Next, in this example, negative plus positive. So, we have negative 10 plus positive 4. Okay? So, negative 10 plus negative 4. So, sige, una buhaton, i-minus na nato daan ang duha ka value. So, 10 minus 4, we have 6. At kinsay dako nilag value? Si 4 or si 10? It is si 10. Therefore, unsay sign ni 10? Negative. Therefore, mauna ang ato ang sundugon. So, negative 10 plus 4, it is equal to negative 6. So, nakita ninyo ang kalahian? Positive 10 plus negative 4 is equal to positive 6. But kung negative 10 plus 4, it is equal to negative 6. Nakita ninyo, class? Very good. Okay? So, let's have another example. Letter A. 11 plus negative 11. So, unsay answer, class? Okay, so we have a rule in addition property of opposites. So, di ba? Positive 11, opposite niya kay si negative 11. So, in adding these opposites, so, addition property of opposites, we have A plus negative A is equal to 0. So, unsa daw? Kung i-addan daw siya sa iyahang opposite, kaya ang iyahang answer is always 0. Okay? Nasabtan, unsa ang addition property of opposites? Very good. Another example. Negative 5 plus 5. Diba, ang opposite sa negative 5 kasi 5, therefore, ang iyahang answer kay 0. Okay? Sabot? Very good. Letter C. We have negative 20 plus 0. What is the answer? It is addition property of 0. So, kung in addition property of 0, kung mag-add ta, ada na to ang number, any number added by 0, the answer is always the number. So, what is the answer? Negative 20. Okay? Another example. Negative 100 plus 0. It is equal to negative 100. Nasabtan ang addition property of 0? Very good. Okay, another example. 1,000 plus 0. It is equal to 1,000. Okay?
Okay, so let us proceed to our lesson 1.6. Okay, so it is all about subtracting integers. Okay, so for our objectives, in this lesson class, you will be able to perform subtraction on integers. And number 2, solve problems involving integers. So, previously, ganina class, naka-learn na ta on how to add integers. This time, let us subtract. So, kabaliktaran sa addition is ang subtraction. So, muna po niya nga to ang tunan. Okay? So, keep on watching the video and keep on focusing it. Okay? Para makasabot yun mo. Okay?
Okay, so let's proceed to subtracting integers. Okay, we have example letter A, negative 5 minus negative 3. So, we have rules in subtracting integers. To subtract an integer, add its opposite. So, para daw makasubtract sa integer, atong i-add ang iyahang opposite. So, ang isa ka, pares niya. For example, negative 5. Unsay ikaw ba ni 5? Si 3. Unsay opposite ni negative 3? Positive 3. Therefore, kanina din sila. Negative 5 plus 3. Negative 2. Okay? Letter B. 6 minus negative 3. So, what is the opposite of negative 3? It is positive 3. Okay? So, therefore, 6 plus positive 3 is equal to 9. Nasabtan ng ang subtraction class, mo proceed ka into addition, but you are going to get the opposite. Okay? Letter C. Negative 7 minus 4 equals what? What is the opposite of 4? It is negative 4. So, negative 7 minus negative 4 is equal to negative 11. Teacher, ganun na negative 11 man. Dili ko negative 3. No, it is not negative 3. Why? If you are going to subtract integers, you are going to proceed into addition. And then get the opposite of the another term. So what is the opposite of 4? Positive 4. It is negative 4. Therefore, negative 7 minus negative 4, it is negative 11. Okay? Nasabtan ang subtracting integers? Very good. Okay, let's have another example in subtraction of integers. So we have 7 minus 10 is equal to, or 7, di ba kung mag-subtract ta, kay mo proceed ta into addition. But, we are going to get the opposite of the another term. So, ang kani si subtraction, mahimo ni siyang addition. And then, ang opposite ni 10 is negative 10. Okay? 7 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 3. Alright. Nasabtan? First, ikaning si subtraction, i-convert mo into addition and then get the opposite of the another term. Right? Okay, next. Letter B, negative 15 minus negative 12. First, we are going to rewrite this into addition. Negative 15 plus, what is the opposite of negative 12? It is positive 12. Therefore, negative 15 plus 12 is equal to what? Negative 3. Nasabtan? Very good. Okay, let's have example. Letter C. We have negative 7 minus negative 5 minus positive 6 is equal to what? Negative 7 minus negative 5 is equal to negative 2. Okay? Negative 2 minus 6, positive 6 is equal to what? It is equal to, what is the opposite of positive 6? It is negative 6. Therefore, negative 2 minus negative 6 is equal to negative 8. Right? Am I correct? Talo ba mo? Very good.
Since we are done sa atuang subtraction, let us now proceed to multiplication. So, it can be found sa lesson 1.7. So, multiplying integers. Okay? So, ang atong objective ani nga lesson class is you will be able to perform multiplication on integers. And number 2, solve problems involving integers. So, humanata og plus, humanata og subtract or minus. Let us now proceed to multiplication, or kung sa kuan pa is mag-times na ta. So, kabalo na ba mag-times ang tanan? Maka-memorize na ba mag-multiplication tanan? Because it is a very basic knowledge gyud para dili ka maglisod sa math. Dapat kabalo ka mag-multiplication table or memorize nimo na siya. Okay?
Okay, so let's proceed to multiplying integers or multiplication of integers. So we have rules in multiplying. So first rule is that when you multiply two numbers with the same sign, the product is positive. So kung mag-multiply daw tag duha ka number nga same ilang sign, for example, negative 3 times negative 2, ang unsa daw ang iyang product kay positive. So 3 times 2 we have 6. And then same sign ba sila? Yes. Therefore, negative times negative is equal to positive, but no need to write here positive. Note class, negative times negative is equal to positive. Okay? Or positive times positive is equal to positive. Okay? Negative times positive is equal to negative. Sabtan? Positive times negative is equal to negative. So, remember, same sign, positive. Diba? Same sign. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times positive, positive. But kung opposite sign gali siya, negative o positive mag-uban, always yun na siya negative. Okay? Sabtan ang multiplying integers. Very good. We have example letter number 2. 3 times positive 2. So, it is positive 6. Okay? Number 3. Let's use negative and positive. Negative 3 and positive. Positive 2. So, negative 2, negative 3 times positive 2 is equal to what? Negative 6. Because according sa rule, kung ang negative o positive mag-uban, ang iyahang product kay negative. Okay? Number 4. Unahon na to si positive. Imo na tong positive si 3. And then, times negative 2. Sagali, positive times negative, it is equal to negative lang gihapon. So, see the difference? Okay, maka-differentiate na ba mo? Okay, sayon na kayo, class. Sayon na jud kayo ang multiplication of integers. The same sign sila, positive na tanan, negative times negative, positive, positive times positive, positive. Kung opposite sign, always po na siya. Let's have another example. Letter A. Negative 7 times negative 6. Okay? So, what is negative 7 times negative 6? Unsa gali kung same sign siya, mahimo siyang positive ang ilahang product. Okay? 7 times 6, it is equal to 42. What is the sign? Negative times negative, positive. Okay? Letter B, we have negative 8 times 5. Negative 8 times 5, we have 8 times 5, we have 40. Negative times positive, it is negative. Subtan. Okay. Letter C, we have negative 2 times negative 3 times 5. Okay, class. Kani bitang parenthesis sign, nag-indicates na po ni siya og multiplication. So, kung ang duha ka parenthesis, naka-parenthesis nga number gatapad, ang pasabutan na imuha na silang i-multiply. So, dili na gyud necessary nga magsulat pa ka diri symbol nga x para masabtan nimo nga ay multiplication dinhi kay na ay x. No, dili na siya necessary kung ang duha naka-parenthesis nagtapad di ara, pasabutan na multiplication na pod siya. Okay? So, let's proceed. Negative 2 times negative 3, it is positive, what? Positive 6 or 6. Ayaw na butangig positive, daan na kay understood na siya. And then, are we done? Not yet. I-multiply pa nato siya dani. Okay? So, 6 times 5, it is equal to 30. Nasabtan, unsay nganong na 30? Very good. Question in multiplying integers. Naipangutana? Okay, wala na. Very good. Okay, another example. We have 16 times 0. What is the answer? Okay? So we have a rule. Any number multiplied by 0, it gives a product of 0. So, any number daw ngay multiply ni mog 0, ang iyahang product kay 0. So, basin pag unsa na siya kadako. For example, 10,000 times 0. Pila man ang answer? It is 0. Bala pag 1 trillion times 0. The answer is always 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Nasabtan? Very good.
Okay, so kaya pa. So we are done sa toang addition, we are done subtraction, we are also done in multiplication. So this time, let us now proceed sa toang lesson 1.8. It is all about dividing integers. So the last basic operation in mathematics is the division. So this time mag-divide na ta class. So I hope nga nasabtan nagtarong or kabalo na mo add, subtract, mo multiply kay needed kay na sila nga mga operations para makabalo pud ta mo divide. So our objectives in this lesson class, you will be able to perform division on integers and solve problems using PEMDAS. So, unsa dayon ang PEMDAS class? So, it is an acronym sa parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, kung mag-divide ka class, kung nakay makita nga parentheses mo na imong unahon og solve. Sunod ang exponents. Sunod is ang multiplication, dayon division, addition, subtraction. So it is from left to right nga pagka solve. So sugod ka og simplify dari sa left. So mauna siya ang proper nga pagka divide. Okay, nagkasinabot? Kung mauna, let us watch the video.
Okay, so let us proceed to dividing integers or division of integers. So we have rules in dividing integers. First, when two numbers with the same sign are divided, the quotient is always positive. Okay, so if we have positive divided by positive, the answer is positive. Negative divided by negative, the answer is positive. Kaya answer yung gingon? With the same sign, kung ang two numbers daw nga pareha sila og sign, ang ilaha daw quotient ana kay always positive. Kung pareha sila og sign, negative, negative, positive, positive. Okay? Second, when two numbers with different signs are divided, the quotient is always negative. So same ra Japon sa multiplication. For example, positive divided by negative, it is equal to negative. Or negative divided by positive, vice versa nila, it is equal to negative. Okay? Timan-an, kung dili sila parehas og sign or unlike signs, they always have a negative quotient. Okay? Nasabtan ang rules sa dividing integers, parehas ra sa multiplication. Okay? Another rule. The rules for dividing 0 by a non-zero number and for division by 0 still hold. Okay? So, for example, 0 by non-zero number. For example, 2. The answer is 0. But, kung si 2 divided by 0, the answer is undefined. They are not equal class. Dili gyud equal si 0 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 0. Okay? This is another rule in dividing integers. Okay? Can we now proceed? Very good. Okay, so we have example in dividing integers. Letter A. 48 divided by 48. So, 48 divided by 8. What is the sign of 48? It is positive. 8 is also, so what is their quotient? It is positive. So, therefore, 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. What is the sign of 6? It is positive. No need to write here positive. Okay? Letter B. Negative 40 divided by negative 8. So, maunsa naman ni siya? Do they have the same sign? Yes. So, si negative wag si negative. Therefore, ang ilang quotient kay positive. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Positive 5. Nasabtan? Nasabtan, class? Okay. Letter C. 72 divided by negative 9. Notice that 72 is positive and 9 is negative. Therefore, 72 divided by negative 9, what is the answer? It is negative. 72 divided by 9, it is equal to 8. Kay ang negative, ang positive ug negative mag-uban always na siya maghatag na tog quotient nga negative. Okay? Letter D. Negative 49 divided by positive 7. Okay? So, una si negative ay si positive. But still, it will give us the quotient of negative. 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. And then, see what is the sign? Negative. Nasabtan ang division of integers? Class? Very good. Okay, so let's have an example. Fill in the missing number. So, example number 1, we have, so, unsa daw itong ibutang dari sa box? Kay missing man ni siya. Divided by negative 9 is equal to, so, given na ang iyang quotient o ang iyang divisor. So, what is the dividend? So, notice that ang atong answer kay negative. Therefore, ang atong ibutang dari dapat kay positive. Unsa na siya nga positive number nga maghatag na to og 6. Negative 6. It is 54. Lantawa gali. 54 divided by negative 9, it is equal to negative 6. Okay? Nasabtan? Nagets ra ninyo ang missing term? Okay. Number 2. Number 2, negative 75 divided by, what is the missing term? And then, ang iyahang quotient kay 5. So, probably, ang kaning nasa iyahang, ang divisor niya dapat kay negative pod. Ngano man, para ang atong quotient kay positive. Remember, sa rule na to, negative divided by negative is equal to positive. So, positive man atong quotient, dapat negative niya ang atong divisor dani. So, what is the number? What is the number? It is 15. Paano din nyo, class? Negative 75 divided by negative 15 is equal to positive 5. Okay, nasabtan? Very good. Wala na pangutana? Ay, ini pangutana sa division of integers. Wala? Okay.
Okay, so since we are done with our discussion, so let us now have our activity. I believe nga nakasabot mo o I believe nga kaya ninyo ni ansiran because this is so simple, very basic kayo yun. So answer the following. Lesson 1.5, lantawa inyohang libro, class. Lesson 1.5, try it 1. Again, try it 1 lang ang ansiran. Lesson 1.6, answer, try it 3. Lesson 1.7, try it 1. Lesson 1.8, try it 1. Okay, so kana lang ang ansiran. Please, paglantawin taon mo sa video kay para makabalo mo kung unsay ansiran kay naagoy gayama-yama og answer gyud. Okay, so kana lang ang ansiran ha, kay para dili na mo malangay, dili na mo mahago. Okay, follow instruction. Okay, so write your answers in one whole sheet of paper. Show your solution. So, ayaw ninyo, kabalo ko nga magamit yun mo calcu. But please, show your solution. No? Kung walay solution, dili na ko na siya i-accept. Kay, para makabalo mo manually. Ayaw mo pagsalig og calcu. Nagkasinabot? Very good. So, pass this on October 11, 2021. That is Monday. So, October 11. If you have queries, if you have questions, pwede mo manawag sa kuha 0967-2174-222. Okay? Akong balikon, please show your solution. Ayaw mo paggamit og calculator. Okay? That's all for this week, class. I hope nga naamoy na learn or daghan mog na learn ani nga atong discussion. God bless everyone and happy answering. Bye-bye.